Welcome to my channel, PhixWorkouts. It's your boy here, Umpile, with yet another video. I just completed my second video, so I thought I'd share my thoughts on how to start working out. A lot of people struggle with doing this, I myself included. I used to struggle with starting to work out. I used to make up a lot of excuses. I remember I used to do it like for 1 month, and then 3 months later do my second routine, and it wasn't really working out with that. Now let's get into it. Tip number one is to have a plan, or have a plan and a goal. Having a plan will help you to work towards a specific goal. Asking yourself, let's say for instance you want to lose 5 pounds. Asking yourself, how do I lose 5 pounds, and answering that question will help you to develop a plan. It doesn't have to be like anything long, or these complicated schedules, or these workout plans that you need to have. Just something simple that you can think at the back of your head. In my case, it was working out for at least two times a week for 1 to 2 hours, doing specific exercises like cardio, weightlifting, and body weight exercises. And after, let's say, 2 months, you increase the difficulty of your workouts, and you can take it from there. Tip number 2 is to start small. Baby steps, guys. You don't have to buy expensive gym equipment or these expensive supplements. You don't have to do all that. Even joining the gym, you don't have to join the gym to start off with working out. Doing simple things like walking, running, push-ups, sit-ups, and even working in the house, like doing cleaning in the house. Cleaning the house is also considered as like being active, or being like doing exercises. And as well as maybe working in the garden. It's all about getting your body active. Once you get your body active, you're going to get used to it, and when you do your workouts, they're going to become more easier for you. Tip number three is don't be afraid of failing. A lot of people, whenever they start working out, they beat themselves up because they can't do a number of reps or a number of sets. In my case, I used to struggle with just doing 10 push-ups. I used to struggle with that. I used to do 5 and then give up from there. So, but now I can do a whole lot more, and it's easier for me to do it. So I recommend that you don't be afraid of failing. Just be consistent with it, and with time, it's going to get a whole lot easier for you. Tip number 4 is change your eating habits. It's no use working out, doing all these complicated workout routines or whatever, and then going back home and eating junk food or processed food. It's not gonna work. You're not gonna see any results with that. So I recommend you eat food that you think is good for you, and get rid of food that is not good for you. It's simple as that. You don't have to go to a dietitian and get a specific eating plan catered just for you, or maybe going to the doctor. No, just simple things, like the simple things that you can find in your kitchen, like fruits and veg, eating a lot of protein, as well as carbs, and just take it from there. And then getting rid of a lot of processed food, like junk food, processed meat, and oil. Just get rid of this stuff. It's not really good for you. So yeah, just do things that work specifically for you. Now, tip number 5 is to get creative with your workout routines. Get creative with your workout routines. Like I said in the previous tip, you don't have to go to the gym and buy expensive equipment. Get creative with it. Use bricks. I've been using bricks for years now to do my workouts. They do work, and like simple stuff like plastic bottles, or maybe a tree in your garden that you can use to do pull-up exercises. uh, like like a backpack can work as well as extra weight. Just get creative with the way that you work out. I still, even though I have like dumbbells, today I still use books. Uh, I still use my plastic bottles as well. I still use like tools in the garage to exercise with. So be creative with it. Just use the things that are around you to create workout routines that work for you. I remember back in my old house, we used to have this big tree that was at the back of the garden, and it had like a branch that was branching out from the stem in like a vertical way. So I used to like hang on it and do pull-ups on it. And for weightlifting, we used to like fill fill like plastic bottles with at least water, and then do like biceps curls with those. So yeah, that's how we did it, and we still doing it today. Tip number 6: create yourself a music playlist. I cannot say this enough, guys. Having a music playlist for your workouts will make your workouts more exciting and more exhilarating for you to do. Uh, like in my case, I love listening to music whenever I exercise or I work out. I don't know what it is, but whenever you're listening to music that you love, you tend to do more reps. You tend to like be more active with your workouts, and you tend to like to enjoy what you're doing instead of like struggling through with your workouts as if like you're forcing yourself to do it. So with music comes great workouts. So please listen to stuff that you love listening to, and get those workouts going. uh this was supposed to be like 6 tips, so I thought maybe I should add a little bit, add 2 more for your own convenience. So another honorable mentions that I could say is, that I could tell you is, get a workout partner. Like having someone to work out with is really encouraging. Like when they say you're working out with a friend or a family member, like you encourage each other to do a whole lot more, and you look forward to those workouts with that person that you love being with. And then another honorable mention is to reward yourself. Reward yourself. Businesses do this all the time, like with their employees. After, let's say, reaching a deadline, they get rewarded with specific things, or after maybe a year, they get rewarded with bonuses. It really encourages the soul for one to reward themselves. So with your workouts, reward yourself. After your workout, maybe go take a nice bubble bath, or go eat the food that you love eating, that you enjoy eating, or maybe just, I don't know, like eat a chocolate. Some people love chocolate, so like reward yourself with something that you're going to enjoy, but do not have that specific thing before the workout. So do the workout first, and then reward yourself. It's gonna be like a whole lot more encouraging for you. So go for it. Well, that's it, guys, for me, PhixWorkouts. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Show me what you think in the comments section below. Subscribe, like, as well as share this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.